What's going on? What's going on? Granddaughter, what's going on?
Nothing is going on. I'm just coming from church.
It's not nothing.
Nothing is going on. Yeah.
Why you go tell him which one? Try to tell him can touch it.
Can try this one. This is more than one.
What is this?
This is modern child. What you can do for this? Unless you want the one from a famous of God people.
Hey guys, happy Saturday. How are you all doing? Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. So we just came back from Chimoma and David's game, the soccer and the baseball. I ran to the store to buy some fruit. I want to make a fruit juice, like vegetable fruit juice for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. I've started preparing this 4 bun. In fact, 4 of them is on. I have something cooking. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how I'm preparing for tomorrow, which is Mother's Day. I've started by preparing everything because tomorrow is church. I have to go to church, sing in church, come back and cook. But for the meantime, let me show you guys what I am cooking. Anyway, so guys, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Stay with me. Let's cook. Look at this man. They're here watching Nigerian movie. 2 of them. Did you see 2 of them? But let me show you guys some of the things I'll be doing today. Let's do it and get ready for tomorrow. Happy Mother's Day in Adi. This tilapia fish. I'm gonna be making tilapia and plantain and a whole lot of things. So I'm gonna be marinating this and keep it there. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna put it in the oven. So yeah, this is it.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Pineapple. Some cucumber for the juice, and also from the apple that I got. So yeah, this is it. So right here I'm making this. Then over here is the tomato. I blended tomato, bell pepper, onions, ginger and everything. The base, I'm gonna be making sauce for the fish. And then over here is the pork cooking. So yeah. is the fish. I'm done marinating it, and we have about 5 of them. So I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge. Then we'll continue tomorrow. So you guys, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm so exhausted. So guys, I am done. I am tired. I am exhausted. I need to go and take a shower and relax. So this is the fish I just show you guys right now. So I'm going to wrap it and put it in the fridge. Then when I come back tomorrow, we will continue. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
2,000 years later.
Hey Chi! Hey baby!
Step on mosquito.
Huh?
Mommy! Mommy, I stepped on it.
It's not only one chance. Hey guys, we are back.
Hi guys, happy Mother's Day. Yeah.
So guys, a very beautiful Sunday. Yes. So guys, it's a beautiful Sunday. We are back from church. I just want to take this time to wish every mothers watching this video happy Mother's Day. You are strong. You are beautiful. You have put in a lot of work in loving, in providing, in protecting those children God placed in your care. You don't have to be in the labor room to be a mother. The love you show is enough to be a mother. Yes, I said it. So you guys, just wishing you happy Mother's Day. Love on those children God gave to you. You are a mother for a reason. So I'm celebrating every mother watching this video. Happy Mother's Day. So we are just back from church, and my husband is bringing miracle, and the kids are out there. So yeah, we got this flower from church to wish every mother's happy Mother's Day. So beautiful, very beautiful Sunday afternoon. So yeah, let me go and start making lunch immediately. So guys, this is the fish. I'm just gonna put this in the oven immediately. No time to check time. I bet this fish is well marinated. So take this out, then put it in the oven. So guys, this is the plantain. I put the fish in the oven. Then you guys, as you can see, that's a lot of plantain because we're a lot. So I'm gonna cut this, peel it, and then put it in the oven so that it's going to cook with the fish. So this is the plantain. I'm gonna take my hand and rub the oil on the plantain, all of them. Make sure everyone is well coated. I'll do that quickly, and then get back to you guys. It's alright. Okay, so guys, our food is ready. I have whatever okay, serve about me. Okay, bag over hand, get a plate. It's about me. You can be. Hey, what's going on? Granddaughter, what's going on?
Nothing is going on. I'm just coming from church.
It's not nothing.
Nothing is going on. Yeah, I'm coming from church.
From church.
Today is Women's Day.
So guys, our plantain is ready, and the fish is ready. Everybody's hungry, so I couldn't wait for this to dry the way I wanted, but the fish is done. So yeah, get some sauce and some plantain and serve the food. So guys, we came to the jungle forest here. Let me show you guys what it looks like. That's the elephant over there. So after our lunch, we decided to come to this place and have fun. So I show you guys a lot of things there. That's the elephant. I have a lot of birds here, and but they are not live. Let me show you this one. Look at that snake over there. Can you see that? It's moving. So yeah, you guys, this is what we are up to after our lunch this Sunday. Try the same shoe. Just tell me the truth.
Yep. We can do it.
Can you tell me truth so I can? Which one? Hey, one more talk. Why you go tell me shoe? Which one? Try to tell me can touch it.
We can try this one. This is modern one.
What is this?
This is modern child. What can you do for this? Unless we want the one from a famous of people.
Yeah, so we are right here.
Remember we gave here, David will close it.
David will cry. Let's go and see if they still have the crocodile. Oh, it's not there. Also, it's elephants.
How got it along? Look. Look at that elephant. It's only a very good. Okay. Look at that.
You want to go close? Hey, go so that you can be on it. Mami, try again, so. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, yeah. So look at that. They have snake. They have. But it's not real, though. It's not real. So I've won anyway. Yeah, so this is jungle. Is it jungle what?
I think that's a snake.
Yeah. Let's go and see.
Jungle forest. That's not me. Not this. That's a leopard. Yeah. ZIKKIE'S. Okay, we got careful. But if one year if you do yeah, rubber. Let's see how rubber. Yeah, let's see how rubber. Oh, rubber. Now where you are, man? So guys, this is us. We just came out from Marshall. Yeah, Marshall. So yeah, we had fun. I'm gonna be ending this vlog here, you guys. I took Mama Bia. Mama Keka. Maybe it's just for elephant. Keka see there. Oh mama, they told no job. They told us on a video. Mama told us on a video. Mama thought that the elephant is going to bite her. But anyways, let me stay here and end this because there is shade here. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be ending this here because it's time for us to go home. We've been out for the past for the past 2 hours. I know you asked me, where is my mom? Listen, my mom is not the type that go out. She's not the type that go out. She just wants to rest because today is Sunday. They wake up early, get ready to church, came back from church, and she has to rest. But me, my husband said that we will go out, and here we are. We had fun. Hey baby. So yeah guys, we're getting ready to go back home. This is how we enjoy our Mother's Day. It was so fun, beautiful out of vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I wish you happy Mother's Day. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ngozi. I'm a mommy vlogger here in California. Okay, I want you to subscribe and be a part of our family. Click on that button that says subscribe and then be a part of our family. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.